think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. So before I start my workout, fam, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pump and grind pre-workout. What I'm gonna do is put it in my bottle and I'm gonna sip on it. I'm only doing half a scoop. Don't need a whole scoop. A half a scoop would do. All right, let's get it. All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So check it out. We started off the workout with some isometric holds. I held from the top position, held from the bottom position. Now keep in mind, this was just to get warmed up and give that pre-workout some time to kick in. You be sure to support Pump Chaser Subs and Tiger. Finish like yum. So yeah, did some isometric holds, did a few sets like that, and here we are jumping it off with some wide grip pull downs. Decided to do alternating, really work on my mind muscle connection. I see so many people talk about what's the best way to get this? What's the best way to get that? What about connecting with your body? Connecting with your body is very important. That could be a whole video by itself. So yeah, doing some one arm at a time, really connecting with the back, making sweet love and really connecting, okay? So here we are doing some seated cable rows for the hoes. Now this one's pretty cool because you can set your feet up. Setting the feet up gonna give me a nice stretch in those hamstrings. You're somebody who suffers from tight ass hamstrings, you know, I wanna give that angle a try. And I also feel it in a good stretch in the lower part of the lats when I have the feet up like that. You know where the lats attach at the iliac crest of the pelvis? Right in the lower part, man. You can really feel a nice stretch there. So that angle felt real nice. All right, so we hit a few sets of these right here. Then we moved on to some one arm rows. This is right here, it's not a hammer strength row, but it's very similar. One arm at a time, really taking our time, really feeling it. You know, you can use the dumbbell version. You can do a cable version. I mix it up because I see benefits to all variations. Okay, so I like mixing things up. Anybody that's ever got in my programs, you already know how I feel about angles and different types of stimulation, okay? So here we are finishing things up with the back, these straight arm pull downs, doing a closer grip, really taking my time, pausing every rep, making the sweetest love to those lats, all right? Just focus on the shoulder extension. I mean, this exercise literally does all the work for you. Just make sure you feel your weight on your feet, stabilize your spine, and rep away. All right, so here we are doing a little bit of chest, just 3 motions, okay? This is the first motion right here. And since we're only doing 3 motions, I decided to do 4 sets, okay? 5 if you count the warm-up, but I don't count the warm-up. When I write my workouts down for you guys, I do not count the warm-ups, okay? So did 4 working sets of this right here, one arm at a time. Like I said, unilateral motions really helps you connect with the body, really help you connect with those pecs, okay? Doing some dumbbell presses, didn't go heavy, just got some good quality reps. As you see, I kind of tilt the palms a little bit, tilt those palms a little bit, and get a nice deep stretch, okay? And that's really gonna put some stress on the tendons, you know, that connective tissue as well. We don't talk about connective tissue strength enough, okay? So yeah, doing some 4 sets of this right here, incline bench, focusing on getting deep stretch, really get a good squeeze, making every rep count, okay? Not doing a lot of volume, just 3 chest exercises. Wanna get the most bang for my buck by making every rep count and connect with my body, okay? You'll be surprised how much better the body looks when you're mentally in tune and connected with your body. You know, there's a reason why when people prep for shows, they practice posing. Yes, practice posing is gonna be great so you won't shake on stage. However, constantly Connecting with your body is going to increase that resting tone. Okay, where you look a little crispier without even trying. Okay. Well, anyway, fam, y'all enjoy the video. Be sure to give me a like. You know, I want to get back into posting for you guys. Y'all want to see more? Let me know, alright? Fuck with your boy. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, and holler back at your boy. Peace. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.